Hello. Are you the new web developer?
Yes. The old web developer had a nervous breakdown and has taken a medical leave of absence.
Okay, we have no time to lose. I'm the web marketing manager. We have a new web project, and we must get started immediately.
I'm here to do whatever you need.
Good. Sales of our products are collapsing. The executive leadership team has decided it's because our website sucks. We must build a new website and save the company.
Okay, that's a big job.
The schedule, the budget, and the requirements for the new website are all decided. You do not have to worry about them. You just have to develop the site. This is what you do, right?
Yes, I am a web developer. But I usually help to make sure that the plan is sound.
No. You do not have to worry. I have already worked out the plan.
Are there any other team members?
No. We only have enough money for you. For 3 weeks. You will build the new website and save the company in 3 weeks.
I see.
Okay, let's talk about the requirements for the new website. It must be Web 2.0.
That can mean many different things. What type of interaction and user-generated content do you have in mind?
Arguing about these requirements is pointless. The vice president has decided the new website must be Web 2.0 in order to save the company.
Okay, anything else?
Video. We must have video.
What kind of video? Where will we get the video content?
And social networking. All successful websites now have social networking. It must be like Facebook and Twitter. It must be engaging and sticky. The vice president wants our new site to be sticky.
Your plan is to build this in 3 weeks?
And mobile. The site must be mobile. It must support the iPhone and Google Android.
These requirements are quite substantial. Are you sure that I am the only web developer?
Oh, and BlackBerry too. The vice president uses a BlackBerry, and it must work on the vice president's phone and any other new smartphones that come out in the next 3 weeks.
I doubt that anyone could possibly build such a site in 3 weeks.
Of course, you must use high productivity development techniques. I have included these in the plan. You must use Agile.
Agile? Well, I generally use an Agile development philosophy.
Good. It is settled. You will use Agile. And Scrum. You must use Scrum to achieve high productivity to build this new website.
Scrum? But I'm the only developer. Who will I scrum with?
This point is not open for negotiation. It is settled. I will tell the vice president that you will use Agile and Scrum to achieve very high productivity.
I am getting worried.
An open source software. We don't have money to buy commercial software tools, so you must use open source. Use Comanche. It's very good.
Do you mean Apache?
Yes, Apache. And you must collaborate. Successful software projects require collaboration.
But who will I collaborate with if I am the only developer?
Resistance is futile. It is settled. I will tell the vice president that you will use open source software and that you will collaborate.
I'm feeling nauseous.
Will you use Ruby? You can do the project in half the time if you use Ruby. All the really cool developers use Ruby.
I don't know the Ruby programming language, but I've been planning to learn about it.
You can read up on Ruby in your spare time tonight. It is settled. I will tell the vice president that you will use Ruby and do the project in half the time.
Well, learning Ruby will be cool.
Okay, we must go live with the new site in 3 weeks. But we will need a beta version first. Our company believes strongly in good quality assurance. Do you believe in quality?
Well, of course. I believe in quality.
Good. It is settled. You will deliver a beta version first, so that our quality assurance team can inspect it before we go live. They are very comprehensive. They usually make suggestions to improve the requirements too.
Maybe I should get started. I'm still worried about getting all this done.
Okay, one more thing. Can you give a demo to the vice president later this week?